very, very, very difficult morning, and
Israel has ended. Russia has invaded Ukraine. The attack began early this morning.
Attempts to make sure it did not come to this, and now the worst has happened.
Officials, U.S. President Joe Biden said that Washington and its allies would impose severe sanctions over what he called Putin's premeditated war.
So as you can see, guys, sanctions have been imposed in Russia, but sanctions would do little right now to stop the damage already it has done. Right now everything is still in a panic scenario. 40 Ukrainian soldiers has already died in the conflict, and then 10 civilians were also killed as per the news, and this is just an estimate. More than that have already passed away due to this war, and many more are displaced. They are going out of Ukraine, so there's a lot happening at this time. I don't think the market would be going up even today. After I see SGX, it's indicating that tomorrow there would be a gap down, and again we can expect a gap down of more than 200 to 300 points, and the war is still going on. This is the latest update which I can give you right now.
Russian President Vladimir Putin announced a military operation in Ukraine. This was followed by Ukraine's Interior Ministry clearly saying that Russia's invasion has begun. There were reports of troops crossing the border from multiple directions, and explosions rang out through multiple cities in Ukraine, including the capital, Kiev.
As you have seen, that's how the entire movement and the activities has taken place. A very safe place to actually invest in the market right now would be gold, but even seeing gold, there's a lot of volatility taking place. Whenever the market is going down, gold prices definitely are going up, and the simple logic behind this is that people will definitely withdraw money from stocks and they will place it in gold, because gold is a commodity and it's a safer bet. But let me take you to the charts of gold spot USD, and also we'll be coming into the BSC gold market and seeing how the trend is. All right, which is trading in the BSE market, and you can see that the price has gone up substantially today. Just open over here. So as you can see, guys, the war started somewhere around this point at, you can see the time over here. I don't know whether you can see it, but the time when it had started was we got the confirmation at 8 when the market started falling. Even Ethereum started falling, which is considered to be a stable coin, and that's when gold started rising and rising. And then the market eventually opened at say 9 o'clock when the Indian market opened, and then it went up again while the Indian market was coming down, and when the Indian market came up it went down. So this is totally inversely proportional to the Indian market. And so you can see as the market, Asian market, they were going down, gold prices had been soaring and it was going up. All right, then it became volatile in the afternoon, and I believe a profit booking did come into play, and now it has gone down again. It started recovering. So I hope you are getting how the volatility is. Even though gold is considered as a safe haven to invest, but still there is a lot of volatility even in it. Now coming on to Ethereum. So the same is happening with Ethereum. Now Ethereum is considered to be a staple coin, and if you are looking to invest in a commodity, I think the safest bet would be Ethereum right now, not even Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is highly volatile and it did not fall as much as expected. If it would have fallen say 10%, then I would have gotten some amount of confirmation, but it did not fall. It just fell by 5%. But Ethereum has fallen fallen from 3000, now it's at 2400. So you can start accumulating Ethereum right now. Let me take you to the charts, and let's see what can be a safe place to buy Ethereum for the long term, only for investing purpose. This is the chart of Ethereum, guys, but remember when I had told in the live stream today that this might be a good point to accumulate Ethereum. Now you can see this point over here. This is when the market actually started falling today at 5:30 a.m. when the blast happened, and these were the candles which were made huge candles when the first round of attack happened, and then the second round you can see that the market was going down at 8:15. And remember the price of gold, which I told you, the gold was rising. It started rising at 8:15, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning, and you can see Ethereum was going down and down and down, and it had gone down substantially. So as you can see, it had made a double bottom clearly over here, and this would have been your buy if you're following the pattern type of trading. This would be the double bottom, okay, and you can also say a W shape pattern when it had given a breakout over here. So initially how I like to trade this is that if it closes below this point, then I would go short further, but it did not close, it bounced from this point, as you can see. So at this point I would have bought with a really small amount of risk. Say my stop loss would be here, and then after it broke this point I could have bought even more. That's how you in this scenario I would not tell you to invest all the money in gold and Ethereum and Bitcoin and other stocks, but you can definitely allocate a certain portion of your portfolio, provided that you have some cash lying here and there and it's not in use, and that would help you to balance your portfolio in this scenario. And in case if you are trading, I hope everyone has made a profit today in the morning when I had told you that it is a blind buy PE. So you can buy PE at any point, and if you are patient, then you would be getting a good amount of profit. More than 5,000 we got in today's expiry, that is 98 rupee option went to more than it crossed 1,000. So it's amazing. I believe some of you have captured some moment, but even if you haven't captured, don't worry, the market is not going to disappear. We are going to get even better opportunities. The main thing about professional trading is that you have to trade every day, and every day you can't make a profit. You have to follow a risk and money management strategy, and you have to scale up slowly, and that's how you can become a good trader. Okay, so tomorrow if I see any levels, I'll definitely inform you in the Telegram group, so stay tuned. Hopefully we make a good amount of profit. Even today I believe that the straddle long straddle or long strangle, which I told you to create at the end of the day, I hope that it gives you a good profit tomorrow, because I feel that market is going to open with a huge gap down tomorrow. But let's see what happens. Again, follow strong risk money and risk management, because as soon as you get some amount of good news from Russia, you might see a huge bull run, and it might hit all of the short sellers. I mean, it will hit all of their stop losses, and the market will go up as algos get triggered in that scenario. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. Let's see what happens. The premiums are again extremely costly. Even today I was checking the premium, not even in the money, at the money and near at the money, it's costing around about 700 rupees. So buying one lot of Bank Nifty at 700 rupees, it's not advisable. I would say it's costing in total 19,000 to 20,000 rupees for one lot. So a huge amount of premium needs to be will be eaten within 2 days. So if the market is volatile, it's going up and down, it doesn't have any direction. But let's see, we are expecting a good amount of correction tomorrow. Okay, definitely join the Telegram channel. The link would be there in the description, and I hope you like this video. I'm making this video on the phone because there's some problem with my software, and yeah, it's very easy to share this video if you want, and it'll help my channel a lot definitely, and encourage me to provide you further updates in the real market scenario as well. Okay, I'm doing my bit. I hope you're liking it. Okay, take care, bye.